Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment. So guys, at this point we all know the drama yaga Leroy no Mihlali, right? So Mihlali and Leroy, they were together. I'm not sure if they have broken up. I am not sure because they didn't release anything. But Mihlali no Leroy, they have been, having fights and all of that. And Mihlali finally released a statement because Leroy was accusing Mihlali of being violent, was accusing Mihlali of using substances, guys. Substances. So he was basically saying that Mihlali, that's why she is acting like she is that's why she is acting like this, because she is on substance that he cannot mention, But those were allegations because there was no proof. So Mihlali finally released a statement and admitted that yes, she was at some point, she was acting all crazy. She admits that yes, the relationship was toxic, and she had a hand in that relationship being toxic. That's what I like. I like that she is taking accountability that yes, she did have a hand. She's not trying to paint Leroy as the bad person and then while keeping her image clean. She admits that yes, she was wrong. She was also toxic and the relationship itself was toxic. So she released an open letter on her YouTube channel. If you have not seen that video, go and check it out. Unfortunately, I can't include it in this video, but people have now, I feel like she just opened a can of worms, guys. She should have just kept quiet and kept it moving, But then I'm sure maybe she felt like she had to say something because people were saying bad things about her. So now people are just like, Mihlali released that statement and she didn't address the issue where they said she was on substance abuse, She didn't say anything about that. She just only mentioned the toxic relationship, that she was toxic, the partner was toxic. So that's why the relationship was just not going anywhere. So now people are assuming because she didn't mention anything about the substance abuse, maybe she is on substance abuse. And they're also saying that open letter didn't say anything, like it didn't address anything, because people already knew that Leroy was at some point he was abusive, and also Leroy has already told people that Mihlali was also abusive. So people are just like, no man, this video didn't say anything. This video was just telling us something that we already know. So we want some more. And guys, I personally feel like Mihlali doesn't owe us any explanations. She doesn't owe us any explanations. The choice is hers. The relationship is not ours. And also people are just saying she deserves it because Leroy was a married man. Guys, no one deserves to be abused just because they were with a married man. Like, no one.